10 things that a man does not dare to say. The differences between the ways in which a man and a woman think, feel and act, often stand out at a glance. The same happens in a couple relationship, in which it is essential to know how to communicate them so they can have a better understanding. However, due to the social, cultural and sexual burden that masculinity entails, there are certain details that are not so easy to express, and that over time men keep until they become simply their secrets. Therefore, we will tell you some of the things that a man would like to say to a woman. Julie Solomon, sexual psychotherapist, reveals it to you. 1. I love you. For some men, it may be easier to express their feelings through actions, even those that are daily, instead of saying an I love you openly. 2. They take marriage seriously. For many of them, having a stable relationship is essential to have a good quality of life, and the election of their partner makes them feel more secure and proud. 3. The fact that a man stays silent while his partner speaks does not mean he does not listen. Most of the time he's trying to understand what they're saying, even if he does not seem to pay attention. 4. They like to have a place and space of their own where they can continue to develop their individuality. The better he feels about himself, he can contribute much more to the relationship. 5. Before a bad experience, a man prefers to leave it behind as soon as possible and concentrate that does not happen again. 6. The vast majority of men do not know how to read or interpret a woman's signals. They want their partner to communicate clearly and directly. They cannot read the mind. 7. They like to feel competent and included. Both in the work aspect and in the family, especially in the upbringing of children. In that way, they feel encouraged to participate more. For them, self-affirmation and feeling valued are important. 8. Although a man thinks several times about sex during the day and has fantasies, or if he turns to see another woman, it does not mean that he will make them a reality or that it is a kind of infidelity. 9. When a man feels stable, happy and shares the commitment in his relationship, he enjoys sexual relations more. And if at any time he does not feel desire, it does not mean that he has lost interest in his partner. 10. They would like to give everything that their partner wants, economically or materially speaking, and it hurts them a lot to not be able to do it. One of the fundamental issues for a man in a relationship is to have the respect and admiration of his partner. When they feel that way, they are able to do everything to keep their relationship happy, stable and lasting. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.